If your goal is to lose weight and you still haven't tried apple cider vinegar, you'll most likely change your mind after this video. Today, we answer the most frequently asked questions. How does apple cider vinegar help with weight loss? When and how to use it properly? And how quickly will it work for weight loss? Let's go! Apple cider vinegar is made in a two-step fermentation process. Firstly, apples are crushed and combined with yeast to convert sugar into alcohol. Second, bacteria are added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. Studies show that, specifically, acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may help your weight loss. It does that in several ways. Lowers blood sugar levels, decreases insulin levels, boosts metabolism, increases fat burning, reduces appetite. One research showed that consuming apple cider vinegar can result in effective weight loss during a 12-week period. In this study, people took 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar diluted in water every day, and they lost an average of 4 pounds each, as well as visceral body fat. This kind of fat is really difficult to lose and harmful for your body. Therefore, such findings are super exciting. But you may ask, what does apple cider vinegar actually do that makes you start losing weight? Okay, let's dig into that deeper. Firstly, apple cider vinegar increases satiety, which can decrease calorie intake. One study showed that people who consumed ACV ended up consuming around 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. Secondly, apple cider vinegar improves and activates your digestion. When your stomach doesn't produce enough acid, key minerals and proteins can't be absorbed into your body, and you feel bloated. Apple cider vinegar's acidic properties help in all these processes, allowing our bodies to better digest our food and absorb all the nutrients way more effectively. Basically, your body starts working as a machine. Thirdly, ACV helps boost metabolism, which leads to reducing fat storage. By the way, did you know that apple cider vinegar is great for reducing belly fat? Belly fat is a common problem, and it's a big struggle, because it's easy to put on and hard to lose, especially for women. So if you're one of those who are struggling specifically with this issue, try ACV. It's a great tool to reduce your belly fat. Before moving to frequently asked questions, hit that subscribe button. Did you do it? Then we can move forward. So, how should you use apple cider vinegar for weight loss? There are a few ways to include apple cider vinegar in your diet. You can use it with olive oil as a salad dressing. It's especially tasty with leafy greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes. But the easiest way is to mix it into water. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water, stir it up, and drink it. If you don't like its flavor, you can add some raw honey and make yourself a sweetened drink. Remember, you don't want to take any shots of apple cider vinegar straight from the bottle. Because of vinegar's acidic compounds, it should always be mixed. Otherwise, you risk side effects like tooth enamel erosion or drug interactions. By the way, maybe you have your own recipe for using ACV? Share it in the comments below this video. When should you be taking apple cider vinegar? The best time to take it is before your meals. This way, apple cider vinegar will increase your satiety and reduce the risk of overeating later on. Also, ACV is a great appetite suppressant during intermittent fasting, and it doesn't even break a fast since it's low in calories. In fact, apple cider vinegar increases your fat-burning potential and your metabolism while in a fasted state. Also, you can drink a glass of water with ACV right before breaking your fast. It'll start to stimulate your digestive tract, preparing it for food. How long till apple cider vinegar works for weight loss? As we mentioned before, one study showed that consuming apple cider vinegar can result in effective weight loss during a 12-week period. Of course, the effects of ACV depend on your overall lifestyle. You should remember that it's not some magical potion that will start to work right away. ACV should be combined with nutritious food, exercising, and a proper water intake for the best results. Can you mix and drink apple cider vinegar and lemon juice for weight loss? Definitely! Like ACV, lemon juice is also known for its weight loss benefits, but mixing both of them might be precisely what you need to give your metabolism a boost. How to make this drink? Simple as that. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm or cold water and squeeze some lemon juice into it. You can also add some honey, mint, or lemongrass to give your drink an extra zing. Watch the next videos about lemon water benefits and which foods destroy your immune system.